Albert Einstein is remembered as one of the greatest minds in history, but his life did not begin with fame, success, or easy answers. He was born on March 14, 1879, in Ulm, a city in the German Empire. His family was not rich or powerful. His father, Hermann Einstein, worked in business and engineering, and his mother, Pauline, cared deeply about music and education. A year after Albert was born, the family moved to Munich. At first, nothing about his life seemed to suggest that he would one day change the way human beings understand the universe. As a small child, Einstein was quiet, thoughtful, and a little different from many other children. Some stories say he spoke later than usual, and his family sometimes worried about him. But inside that silence was a deep and growing curiosity. He liked to observe things carefully. He did not always react quickly, but he thought deeply. One famous story says that when he was young, his father showed him a compass. Albert became fascinated by the moving needle. He could not see the force guiding it, yet something invisible was clearly at work. That simple moment stayed in his mind. It made him feel that the world held hidden laws waiting to be understood. Einstein's early school life was not always happy. He studied in Munich, where many schools were strict and formal. Teachers often expected students to memorize information and obey without question. Einstein did not fit easily into that style. He liked to ask why. He wanted ideas to make sense. Because of this, some people later imagined that he was a weak student, but that is not really true. He was especially strong in mathematics and science. The real issue was that he disliked dull learning and rigid discipline. He was not lazy. He simply wanted to think for himself. His family's life also became difficult. His father's business had problems, and the family eventually moved to Italy. Einstein, still young, was left behind for a while to continue his studies, but he felt unhappy and disconnected. Soon, he joined his family in Italy. This period mattered because it pushed him away from the normal path. Instead of following a simple, smooth journey, he had to rethink his future at an early age. He later decided to continue his education in Switzerland, a choice that changed his life. In Switzerland, Einstein entered a more open learning environment. After some struggle, he was accepted into the Swiss Federal Polytechnic School in Zurich, a respected place for science and mathematics. There he met students who were serious, intelligent, and ambitious. One of them was Mileva Maric, who would later become an important part of his early adult life. Einstein enjoyed the freedom to explore ideas more deeply, but even there, he was not always seen as a perfect student. He sometimes skipped classes and preferred studying in his own way. He followed his curiosity more than the official system. What made Einstein special was not that he was perfect from the beginning. It was that he kept asking deep questions. What is light? How does time really work? What is hidden behind the world we see? These were not normal questions for most young people, but for Einstein, they became the center of life. He was not chasing fame. He was chasing understanding. That quiet hunger to know more would slowly lead him toward ideas that would shock the scientific world. So the early story of Albert Einstein is not the story of a magical genius who was born with all the answers. It is the story of a quiet boy, a curious mind, family struggles, unusual choices, and a deep love for asking questions. Before he became a world-changing scientist, he was simply a thoughtful young man trying to understand the invisible truths behind ordinary life. After finishing his studies in Zurich, Einstein did not step straight into a glorious scientific career. In fact, the beginning of his adult life was quite difficult. He graduated in 1900, but he struggled to find a good university job. Some professors did not fully support him, and for a time he felt lost. This part of his life is important because it shows that great people do not always start with great success. Sometimes they begin with rejection, uncertainty, and quiet frustration. Einstein had talent, but talent alone did not open every door for him. Eventually, in 1902, he found work at the Swiss Patent Office in Bern. At first, this may not sound like the kind of job that creates a scientific legend. He was not working in a grand laboratory. He was not surrounded by famous scientists. His job was to examine inventions and study technical ideas. But in a strange way, this simple office became the place where his mind grew stronger. Day after day, he looked at how machines and systems were supposed to work. He learned to think clearly, carefully, and independently. And when the workday ended, his own ideas began to rise. Einstein used his free time to think about deep scientific questions. He was especially interested in light, motion, space, and time. He asked questions that sounded simple, but were actually revolutionary. What would happen if someone could travel beside a beam of light? How should we understand motion when everything in the universe is moving in relation to something else? These were not ordinary questions. Most people never think this way, but Einstein kept returning to them again and again, as if his mind could not rest until it found a better answer. Then came the year that changed his life forever, 1905. Einstein was only 26 years old and still working at the patent office when he published a series of scientific papers that shocked the world of physics. This year is often called his miracle year. In one paper, he explained the photoelectric effect, showing that light could behave like tiny packets of energy. In another, he gave strong support to the idea that atoms were real through his work on Brownian motion. But perhaps the most famous paper of all was on special relativity. Special relativity changed the way people understood space and time. Before Einstein, many believed that time moved the same way for everyone, everywhere. Einstein showed that this was not true. Time and space were connected, and they could change depending on speed and motion. This idea was difficult, but also beautiful. It meant the universe was more flexible and mysterious than people had imagined. From this work came his most famous equation, E equals mc squared. In simple words, it showed that mass and energy are deeply connected. A small amount of mass could produce an enormous amount of energy. What makes this part of Einstein's story so powerful is not only the science, it is the setting. He was not yet the great icon people know today. He was an ordinary young man with a regular job, sitting in an office, thinking deeply, while much of the world ignored him. That makes his story feel human. He did not need perfect conditions to create something extraordinary. He used the quiet space he had, trusted his questions, and kept following his mind where it wanted to go. By the end of 1905, Albert Einstein was no longer just a curious thinker hidden in a government office. He had begun to change modern science. His ideas were challenging old beliefs and opening a new picture of reality. The quiet boy who once wondered about a compass needle was now becoming the man who would change how humanity understood the universe. After 1905, Albert Einstein was no longer an unknown thinker. Scientists began to notice that something unusual had happened. His ideas were bold, difficult, and deeply original. At first, not everyone understood or accepted them, but more and more people could see that his mind was opening a new path in physics, Over the next few years, his reputation grew, and he moved into university positions where he could focus more fully on science. The young man from the patent office was slowly becoming one of the most important thinkers in the world. In 1915, Einstein completed another major achievement, the general theory of relativity. This theory went even further than special relativity. It changed the way people understood gravity. Before Einstein, many people followed Isaac Newton's view that gravity was a force pulling objects together. Einstein offered a deeper picture. He said that massive objects like planets and stars bend space and time around them. In simple words, gravity was not just a pull, it was part of the shape of the universe itself. This idea was extremely powerful and also very hard for many people to imagine. In 1919, Einstein became world famous almost overnight. A solar eclipse helped test one of his predictions about light bending near the sun. When the results supported his theory, newspapers around the world reported it as a scientific revolution. Suddenly, Einstein was no longer known only in academic circles. He became an international symbol of genius. His face, his hair, and his thoughtful expression became famous everywhere. But fame did not change the deeper truth about him. At his core, he was still a man driven by questions. Einstein's life, however, was not only about success. Like many great figures in history, he also faced pain, change, and moral struggle. His personal life was often complicated. His marriage to Mileva ended, and Europe itself was entering dangerous times. As Adolf Hitler rose to power in Germany, Einstein, who was Jewish, faced growing threat. In 1933, he left Germany and settled in the United States. This was not just a career move. It was a painful escape from hatred and political darkness. In America, Einstein continued his scientific work, especially at Princeton. He also spoke openly about peace, freedom, and human responsibility. Yet one of the most debated parts of his life came during World War II. In 1939, he signed a letter to President Franklin D. Roosevelt, warning that Nazi Germany might try to build an atomic bomb. That letter helped push the United States towards serious atomic research. Later, when nuclear weapons brought terrible destruction, Einstein felt deep concern. He became even more vocal about peace and the dangers of war. Albert Einstein died on April 18, 1955, but his influence never truly ended. For beginners, the simplest way to understand his story is this. He was not just a man with a high IQ. He was a deeply curious human being who looked at ordinary reality and dared to ask impossible questions. He changed science, but he also reminded the world that knowledge without wisdom can be dangerous. That is why Einstein is still remembered not only as a genius, but as a human being whose ideas changed the modern age. If you enjoyed this story, please like, comment, and subscribe to English History Tales for more simple and powerful history stories in English.